fryer cinnamon rolls that are soft, gooey, buttery, and honestly way easier to make than you'd think. And the best part is that they are made completely in the air fryer. I added 140 grams of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then I poured in 70 milliliters of milk and 40 grams of melted butter. I mixed everything together using a spoon at first, and once the dough started coming together, I switched to using my hands. At first it might look a little rough and shaggy, but keep kneading it for a few minutes and it will turn into a soft, smooth dough. For the filling, I first added 30 grams of melted butter into a separate bowl. Then I added 55 grams of brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon, and finally 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. I mixed everything together until it formed this thick, buttery cinnamon mixture that smells absolutely amazing. The brown sugar gives that deep caramel flavor, the cinnamon makes everything warm and cozy, and the cornstarch helps keep the filling thick and gooey while baking instead of completely melting out of the rolls. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. Next, I lightly floored my surface and rolled out the dough into a rectangle. You don't need it perfectly shaped, just try to keep the thickness even so the rolls bake evenly. Then I spread the cinnamon filling all over the dough, making sure to go all the way to the edges because every bite deserves a filling. I used the back of a spoon to spread everything evenly, and at this point the smell already looked unreal. Then I carefully rolled the dough into a tight log. Rolling it tightly helps create those beautiful cinnamon swirls inside. Once rolled, I sliced it into pieces about 2 fingers thick. You can already see all those layers of cinnamon filling inside, and they honestly look so good even before baking. After cutting them, I gently pressed each roll down slightly with my palm. This helps them cook more evenly in the air fryer and gives them that perfect soft center. Then I lightly greased the bottom of the air fryer basket with a little oil, but you can also use baking paper if you prefer easier cleanup. I placed the cinnamon rolls inside, leaving a little space between each one because they expand while baking. Then I air fried them at 170 degrees Celsius for around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your air fryer. And while the cinnamon rolls were baking, I prepared the glaze. Into a bowl I added 60 grams of cream cheese. Then I added 30 grams of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of milk. I mixed everything together until smooth and glossy. The glaze should be creamy enough to pour but still thick enough to sit beautifully on top of the warm rolls. At this point, the cinnamon rolls were done baking. They came out golden on the outside, soft in the middle, and perfectly fluffy. I transferred them onto a plate while they were still warm and immediately poured the glaze all over the top. The warm rolls slightly melt the glaze, making it drip into every layer and every swirl. That combination of buttery dough, gooey cinnamon filling, and creamy glaze is seriously so good. And the best part is that these take barely any time compared to traditional cinnamon rolls.